Welcome back. In the sprawling digital landscape of the 21st century, where the internet has become a ubiquitous part of daily life, the topic of child online protection has never been more critical. As parents and guardians, our instinct is to safeguard our children from harm. Yet the digital world presents a new array of challenges that are often invisible and ever-evolving. This article aims to shed light on the importance of protecting children online, exploring the risks they face and the measures we can take to ensure their digital well-being. The digital dilemma. The internet, a vast repository of information and a platform for social connectivity, is a double-edged sword. It offers immense learning opportunities but also exposes children to potential risks such as cyberbullying, inappropriate content, and online predators. Navigating this digital terrain requires vigilance, awareness, and proactive strategies to keep our children safe. Strategies for child online protection. Open communication. Establish an environment where children feel comfortable discussing their online experiences and concerns. Educate about online safety. Teach children about safe browsing practices, the importance of privacy, and how to recognize and handle inappropriate content. Use parental controls and monitoring tools. Implement parental control software to monitor and limit children's online activities while respecting their privacy and independence. Set boundaries and guidelines. Establish clear rules regarding internet usage, including time limits and accessible websites. Be a role model. Demonstrate responsible online behavior as parents. Children often mimic adult behaviors. Stay informed. Keep abreast of the latest online trends and potential risks. The digital world is constantly evolving. Participate in their digital world. Engage with the games, apps, and platforms your children use to understand their online world. Educational programs on digital literacy. Encourage participation in programs that teach digital literacy and citizenship. Promote balanced usage. Encourage offline activities and hobbies, ensuring that the internet is just one part of a balanced lifestyle. Community support networks. Connect with other parents and community groups to share insights and strategies for online child protection. Conclusion: creating a safe digital environment. As we guide our children through the vast and dynamic digital world, our role transcends beyond traditional parenting. It requires us to be educators, guides, and tech-savvy protectors. The task of ensuring our children's online safety might seem daunting, but it is a journey we can navigate successfully with the right tools, knowledge, and proactive approach. By empowering our children with awareness, instilling responsible digital habits, and staying actively involved in their online lives, we can create a safer digital environment for them to explore, learn, and grow. For more insights into child online protection and digital parenting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement is crucial in fostering a community committed to creating a safer digital world for our children. Check out the description for additional resources and stay tuned for more content on digital safety and wellness. Together, let's work towards a digitally secure future for our next generation.